Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a portfolio in Wix Studio. First, navigate to Wix Studio and select Create New Site. You can start with a blank canvas for full creative control or pick one of the many professional portfolio templates available. Take a moment to explore the powerful drag-and-drop editor, which offers incredible flexibility for your design. This initial setup is crucial for building a strong foundation for your online presence. Now, let's dive into designing your portfolio's layout. Wix Studio provides robust responsive design tools, allowing your site to look fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Choose a consistent color palette and typography that truly represents your personal brand or business. Remember, a clean and professional design will make your work stand out and leave a lasting impression on visitors. Next, it's time to populate your portfolio with your amazing work. Upload high-resolution images and videos to showcase your projects effectively. Organize these into well-defined galleries or categories, making it easy for visitors to navigate. For each project, include a concise yet informative description, highlighting your role, the challenges, and the solutions you provided. This context adds significant value to your visual presentation. Finally, let's get your portfolio ready for the world. Before publishing, thoroughly review every page for typos, broken links, and design inconsistencies. Consider connecting a custom domain name, which adds a professional touch and makes your site easier to remember. Once you are completely satisfied, hit that Publish button. Your stunning new portfolio is now live and ready to attract new opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.